Hi folks, Richard Fontaine here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in that description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 4 exceptional bonuses that I have been able to snag from my coach, Virgil Downs. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your make money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources, and you get them every Friday. Grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, when you get an order for a high value gig, for example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and you deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is an important point. It's a reoccurring or recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And you can do that without spending a lot of time, 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's get back to the review. The product developer is Venkatesh Kumar, who has over 20 products under his belt. He is a full-time affiliate marketer and a product vendor who hails from India. He is known for developing innovative technology software. In a nutshell, EVERHosting is a 20 times faster web hosting that helps your customers host unlimited websites and domains for a low one-time fee. Now, there are 9 things you should know about this product. It's unlimited website without any kind of restrictions. It's a fast web hosting service that optimizes itself for speed. It's secure hosting with SSL. It has a one-click WordPress installation. It has unlimited bandwidth, an automated daily backup, and it's 100% cloud-based. Use it and charge your clients. Now, there's a free commercial license also available with this product. So simple, only $17 for the front end, and if you're paying for a hosting service, this may be an excellent opportunity at an affordable price. The sales funnel also, though, identifies several upsells ranging from $39 to $97. They include a done-for-you setup and a done-for-you template club, an unlimited traffic, a reseller 500, and a wealth accelerator. Now, there are also downsells, so watch for them. But remember that downsells also reduce the content that you receive. Need to know more? Well, click the second link below and get the full story. And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in the first link below. And remember my 4 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online empire and get access to free traffic. You can buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. We'll show you how. We show you how to gain recurring income online with ease. And you can learn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Thank you for watching, and success with this product.